So what's our plan B?
I think we're going to use your dancing ball.
My dancing ball?
Yeah.
Welcome back into our garage. It's a new day. Last time we showed you the massive list of things to upgrade on the TT to get a track ready. However, you still need to do stuff on your S3 as well. So we've decided to hire an additional garage assistant. We came up with the Gemini app. So we're really excited to test this feature together with you. So I'm gonna ask for you to help me with a step-by-step guidance on how to put the old brake pads onto the TT.
All right, let's get those old brake pads onto the TT. First up, we'll need to remove the caliper and rotor. Once that's done, we can clean up the caliper bracket and install the new pads. Sound good?
Perfect. It's not coming off?
No.
So what's our plan B?
I think we're going to use your dancing ball.
My dancing ball?
Yeah. There it is.
We want to give a big shout out to Loopable for providing dance balls, but also for providing leverage to unbolt screws. Dance ball?
I think so.
We need the ball again. Do it? Oh!
Yeah.
I saw it. Ah. We've made the magical switch from the S3 to the TT. So she's got brand new brakes, or well, second-hand brakes, but better brakes. The wheels are back on, which means now we're going back to the S3.
Gemini, that's number 163. No. Gemini, can you tell me something about these brake sets, the rotors and the calipers, and how this is going to affect my lap times?
Those brakes are a serious upgrade. The larger rotors dissipate heat better, which means less fade during hard use. The multi-piston calipers apply pressure more evenly across the pads, giving you better modulation and stopping power. Combined, these upgrades will significantly improve your braking performance, allowing for later and harder braking into corners. This translates to faster lap times on the track.
All right.
Let's get cracking. Can you help me out? Get out of the car.
This one, you know, you are just a tad smaller than I am.